we go. This will be the new 2013 Momentum box number 4, 10:45 Eastern Standard Time. And here we go. Freebies for show. Good to see Big Poppy Ortiz back. What's up, dude? Matty G, Frankie P, BPO. We got everybody in here. So thank you guys so much for being here. Let's dip down up in this joint. I picked up some other some 2011 stuff, guys. I'm excited about it. Now, if you guys don't want to do it, we don't have to, but I like it. And it's not low end 2011. It's super high end. Feel like we have to redeem ourselves for the last one. So maybe we can do that this weekend or something like that. But hopefully by Friday the BGS grades will be back too, which would be real cool. Here's Marcus Davis. That's going to those Jets. Yeah, I got Exquisite and I got NT. Come on. 226, 599. Andy Milliner. Back to those Jets. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was going to be autoed. Here's a little Eli Manning. That's 140, 199. Anybody else see the new Direct TV? There's Dennis Johnson. The new Direct TV commercial with Eli and Peyton on it, where they rap about football on your phone. Here we go. Be the auto. Nope. It's a quad jersey of Monty Ball. And that'll be numbered out of 299. And Eddie. Big boy Lacey. Mike Glennon, Team Rookie Threads out of 299, and Marcus Hunt. They always crack me up. Terrence Williams, we got to get a auto in here, right? 41, 399, going to those Cowboys and Rodney Smith. We're on the right-hand side of the packs, last 5 packs, or we're halfway through it. 10 packs, 10 hits. Got some numbered stuff. The RPAs this year look phenomenal. I'd love to see one right now. We are. And it's a solid hit. DeAndre Hopkins. I like this a lot. That's what the RPAs look like, and they are gorgeous. Who's got those Texans? 13 out of 199. Very, very nice. And Tyler Wilson. Who's got him? Who's got Houston? Way down there. Niners, 491. There you go. That's a nice little hit. And this is going to be Momentum Rookie Signature RPS of Stedman Bailey. And Nick Kassah. We haven't seen Nick Kassah for quite some time. I know, we need to get weird. I would love to see a nice little vet auto. There's Bjorn Warner, and that's going to this Colts. That's 590 out of 599. And John Seifert. I know, Stedman, he should sign them all now. He's probably getting like $4 an auto. Here's Kenny Vaccaro, and that'll be 183, 199. And Ryan Swope for those Cardinals. And last pack here out of box. Number 4. Zach Desert. That'll be going. I know, Swoop's retired. 83, 299. So Swoop will go to the last team he played. I'm just joking. Eric Fisher. That'll do it for box number 4. Let's go ahead and get these out.